a beginner's tutorial on how to start copying credit and debit cards to use in the store and at the ATM. I'm about to explain how to use X2 software and dumps with pins to create copies of credit and debit cards, also known as clone cards. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. Otherwise, let's jump right into it. The first thing that you need to do is go to Amazon and get you an Omni key. I recommend this one. This one is the best one by far. This one is the one that I currently use and have used in the past. While you're on Amazon, you also need to order blank cards. They have to be unfused J2A040. They're a little bit more expensive than the other blank cards, but it's definitely worth it. You need unfused blank cards so that you can code over the chip. If you don't code over the chip, it will not read right and you will not be able to use the card at the ATM. Now, some people use old debit cards instead of blank cards. The only time I recommend you use old debit cards is if you're actually going inside the store to use the card inside of the store, because blank cards do look suspicious. Now, if you're just going to the ATM, all you need is the blank cards, and I actually recommend using blank cards over old debit cards at the ATM simply because ATMs take better to the blank cards. If you would rather me make a card and ship it to you to cash out, join my Telegram chat and hit me up. The credit card information that you copy onto the blank card is called a dump. I recommend purchasing dumps with track 1 and 2. Make sure that your dump also comes with a pin. It must come with a pin or you cannot use the card at the ATM. If you need a good site to get dumps with pins from, join my Telegram channel and message me. If you're watching this video from YouTube, the Telegram link is going to be in our video description. If you're watching this on any other platform, go to our page bio and the link will be in our bio. And this is all you really need to get started. An MSR swipe machine is optional. It's only needed if you're going to program the mag strip on the back of the card, and the only reason that you would need to program the mag stripe on the back of the card is if you actually plan on swiping the card. Most stores, as everyone knows, ask you to insert the cards. Most ATMs ask you to insert the card. People rarely ever swipe the card now, but in some cases it's more beneficial to just swipe the card, and in that case you would use a mag stripe. We have plenty of tutorials also on that inside of our Telegram channel. So you only need the MSR if you plan on swiping the card. If you're programming the chip to use at the ATM or inside the store, then all you need is the Omni key and the blank cards or your old debit cards, whichever way you're using for your situation. Omni key is to program the chip to insert. MSR is to program the mag stripe on the back to swipe. Now that you have a good idea of what you need to get started, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how the X2 software works. We have a free downloadable guide inside of our Telegram channel that explains each step in detail, step by step, breaks the whole entire process down from beginning to end. What I'm about to give you is just a general rundown on how the software works. If you want to download the free step-by-step guide that explains the whole entire process step by step, make sure you join our Telegram. Alright, so let's get into the actual process.